Speaking about money,
Mi casa, su casa.
What?
I'm looking at you, Mo.
But why?
If you're a Russian YouTuber, how do you get paid now? Crypto.
Actually?
yes.
Oh, Willie do.
This was a.
Go ahead, Willie. You know what? I'm going to have one Popeyes. I'm going to give a review right now.
Okay.
You're going to go on this one, and I'm going to have one Popeyes. What is it? A spicy tender?
Chicken tender, yeah.
Okay, it's going to be a review. This one's you. This is all you, Will.
Okay. Don't eat in front of the mic.
No, I moved it.
So this story is about a Russian YouTuber who's living a life in Russia.
I got to interrupt. I apologize. This is insane.
You couldn't.
This is absolutely insane. They gave me Megan Thee Stallion sauce.
Whoa.
Oh, that's because
You should save that. That might be worth $100,000 tomorrow.
$140,000 annually.
Loot.
Pair it up with the
mine.
NFT.
Oh,
That's on your bag by accident.
What?
Are you trying to
I
take,
ordered the sandwich.
Are you trying to take this back right now?
No, I think they gave us 2, right?
Are you trying to take this back right now?
I'm saying we go 50-50. I say you take one of them.
Yo, Mo got
and I
really
take-
serious when he saw me advertise the sauce over here.
What kind of
This
sauce
is
is it?
this is the hottie sauce in bright orange with Aleppo pepper sprinkled throughout. The sauce made with honey, apple cider vinegar was both sweet and I presume spicy. It's a collab. Okay, fine. Whatever, Mo yelling at me over here. So I'm only allowed to have this one, apparently, which
No, I
is
said
sweet
that-
heat. Sure, Mo? I wouldn't want to. You get to review the hottie sauce, all right? So I'll move on to this one. Okay, we'll go back to it.
Yeah, where was I?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
So they're going to.
So it counts this one YouTuber. His name is Nikki Proshin. He has a YouTube channel, TikTok, and Instagram. And even though he gets donations from crypto, he said that it's very hard to convert it into ruble.
Oh, okay. Convert into.
To actually just get groceries or buy food or
Right.
anything. So, yeah, crypto, it's not a way to solve everyone's problems based on the account from this guy. So it kind of does, it's kind of unfortunate.
But crypto's in its infancy. I mean, I'm sure they'll figure a way to make it easier to make that transaction.
What else does he say? He's
So-
using a VPN, but doesn't really work.
YouTube's
well.
not paying Russian creators right now. Is that what's going on?
Yeah.
That's why they're making this pivot?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said he's got 10 donations in Bitcoin to this point,
Yeah, which is not a lot, unfortunately.
and it's currently his only method of generating revenue because obviously AdSense has been turned off, right?
Yep.
He got a little bit in Ethereum. What a weird position to be in. I mean, we talked about it with other influencers on Instagram, and it's not just like your direct revenue, but it's also reaching your audience to do anything else, any other type of promotion. You got to believe it's just a terrible time to be stuck in that situation. Russia and Ukraine are both countries where cryptocurrency adoption is relatively widespread, actually. Russia is the third largest miner of Bitcoin. Interesting. The Russian invasion of Ukraine and the international response to it is a real-world test of cryptocurrency's value to ordinary people. Ukrainians have been fundraising in crypto, and almost 100 million has been donated. I mean, it can do it. It can do it, Will. But as you mentioned, getting into crypto, easy. Out of crypto, hard.
There's just no infrastructure there in Russia right
No,
now.
I mean, even for you. Into crypto, easy. Out of crypto, hard. You get turned into something you can use. Although, as this thing continues, if it does continue, you have to assume that people in Russia will start to adopt this more rapidly and possibly even start to accept it. Merchants and stores and such. If more people are relying on it, then you have to imagine the demand would go up and some stores might start to accept it. I don't know.
And I know crypto is kind of like a safe haven, especially right now in Russia. You can put money in there just in hopes that the ruble
Bounces back.
bounces back eventually and then they could convert it back. But
Right.
right now, since it's stuck in crypto, you can't really spend it.
I think that places might start accepting crypto
I hope so.
with the inflation and stuff
Just
going on.
basic grocery
They
stores.
they might. Somebody in the chat was like, "What are you talking about? Isn't that like $410,000?" No, 10 donations in Bitcoin, not 10 Bitcoin.
Yeah.
10 Bitcoin, you'd be celebrating right now, actually.
Yeah. So good luck to this guy and many other influencers, creators in Russia.
YouTubers.
YouTubers.
Fellow tubers. Okay, so I had a bite of the spicy
Oh yes,
chicken
get a
tender.
review.
Okay.
I
What a
almost forgot.
segue.
It was a bite. I did not touch your precious Megan. I didn't touch Megan, a stallion sauce. But I did have the sweet heat.
Yes. Okay, tell me.
And I don't actually feel that I need any Megan sauce after that. I'm all sorted out.
Wow, it's that good.
I just said I'm sorted out. I'm glad that the tender is spicy. And it was the batter to chicken ratio I was satisfied.
Wow.
A little bite to it, a little sweet, a little heat.
Popeye's got a formula down.
So, that concludes.
Okay.
That concludes my reaction.
Good.